Hey guys, so I made this video, I filmed this video at the beginning of April, but I'm just here to say thanks for waiting for this video. Hopefully it was worth the wait. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Hey guys, I'm back. I hope you've all been good. It's kind of funny actually, my last video, which was like Valentine's Day, got like 25 views. I don't know from who, but thanks for watching. But welcome back. This video is about me making a computer. I just bought all this stuff a while ago, and now it's finally all here, and now it's time for me to put it together. I've never done this before, but hopefully it goes well, because it was sort of expensive. But I think I have luck on my side, and I also have plenty of reference videos to watch while making this computer. So I figured if I'm gonna do something, I might as well film it. So here we go. Okay, so we have an Intel 8th generation Core i3. I don't really know what any of this means, but it's supposed to be like a quad core processor or something like that. And apparently that's the one you want to have if you're playing video games, which is the point of this computer. I forgot to mention that. I want to play video games, and this angle is really awkward. So this is the storage, a Seagate 1 terabyte of storage. Hopefully that's enough, but I know you can get like more storage if you want it. And this is a Wi-Fi adapter thing, and this looks like sticks of RAM, random access memory. I knew that one. This is the power supply. Really fascinating. Let's see. This is a fan. GeForce GTX 1050 Ti. I don't know what this is. But I assume it's important because it was on the list of stuff that I needed. Oh, this is the GPU, so graphics processing unit. I knew that one as well.
Sure, Jan.
And I think this is the motherboard. And that's all for that box. And I'm gonna lift you up. This one in here is that's the tower. So you put everything in that one. I should have just held the camera, but I kept it on the tripod. And I just went to Best Buy to get this one. It's a monitor. You can't see it. It's a monitor. That was the last thing I got, but it's also very important because otherwise you just have a computer and no monitor. But yeah, let's see if I can put this thing together. Okay, so now I just have to open everything up. Another weird angle. But I figure the table's more important than, or what's on the table is more important than me, or than seeing me. Yeah. We're just gonna make this like really fast motion, maybe. I'm gonna load up a video first. Are you kidding? I have to charge it. Okay. Excuse me. Okay. So I'm just gonna open stuff up while that's charging. Oops. So this is the fan, I guess. I don't know what this is. Yeah.
You a stupid how? You a stupid how?
Okay. Looks good to me. Let me see if I'm done charging yet. Okay. So he said the CPU, motherboard, and RAM sticks. So that's not you. So he said start with the motherboard, and again, don't touch the bottom, the black part, I guess, this part, the circuit side. Okay, so motherboard, and then this part, the core, I guess, the CPU. And he said don't touch the bottom because I guess it has thermal paste on it. So don't touch that thermal paste. There it is.
You can't touch this.
And he said put it down upside down like this. And take out the core. I'm gonna open it and then continue. So I can see where it goes. It goes like right in the middle of this big black square. So now you have to get the tower out. Be very careful with that. We're gonna put it right there. Cool. Okay, so then he said, get this part and put it in this thing next to the fan here. So then he says, put in the motherboard, but I'm not entirely sure where. Okay, so it goes like right next to this part, because like, okay, this side lines up with this thing, so I hope it works. Okay, so you still can't see it, but you can see the computer. So now I have to get this in here. So it goes like this. Okay, I think this is right. So now we need to hook up the storage. Finally done with the hard drive. It's on. Let's see what the next step is. So you use one of these that came with the motherboard to connect to the hard drive. So he said we need a data cable that's also coming out of the power supply. I don't know what that looks like. So I found it. It's like one of these ones. It's like long and flat, and there's like nothing in there. It kind of has like those things on the bottom. And you plug it in right next to it. So he said something about the SATA. So I see where it is. He said don't connect it to SATA 1. So I'm gonna connect it to SATA 2. just the back. So now we gotta connect the GPU. So I guess this side goes into the motherboard, but you need to take these things out. So I just spent like a long time trying to find the PCIe port on my graphics card, and it turns out it doesn't have one. So that means that like it gets the power from the motherboard instead, rather than having its own like direct power from the power brick. Okay, so now you put this big one into the big slot. It's like this big one. I can't get any closer. But trust me, it's like the biggest thing coming out of the power.
You better work, bitch. You better work, bitch. You better.
Okay, I think I finished everything, but we'll see what happens. I just have to put everything back on and like tuck all these wires in, and then set up the operating system, so hopefully it works. Okay, so again, a terrible angle. Okay, so I just set up my own monitor, plugged it into everything. So it's kind of a moment of truth for me. So let's see. I turn on the monitor and that works. So fingers crossed for the computer. So it's not working. I need a keyboard. Okay, we're back. I thought it wasn't working, and for some reason now it is working. So thank God, because I was like,
I got all this stuff, and I put it all together, and I made a video, and it didn't work, and it was all for nothing.
but hopefully it'll work. So now it says reboot and select proper boot device, or insert boot media and selected boot device and press a key. I think it's already in. Reboot and select proper boot device. Okay, give me 1 second. It's like my first video game is a test in reaction time. I got it to work. Okay. You know what? I think I have to go delete. I never even put the OS onto here. I downloaded it, but I didn't put it on here. So I have to go do that.
How? You a stupid how? You a stupid.
Oh, Lord. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so now Windows has been installed and Microsoft Edge has opened, so we're gonna delete that, and we're gonna click on Britney Spears Work Bitch music video. See if that works. Okay, thanks Britney. So, while it's being updated, I just want to say thank you for joining me. Thanks for being with me for this process. I feel like at some point I kind of went a little crazy because I turned on everything and it didn't work. So I was like, did I just waste $700? And turns out I didn't. I know no one asked for this, but thank you for watching anyways, and I'll see you guys next time, probably in the next like 3 months at the rate we're going. Okay guys, thanks for watching. It's now like 2 in the morning because I stayed up a while using my new computer, but I did not clean everything up, so here's what's left. There's a lot left. There's a lot I have to clean up tomorrow. So, if you are gonna do this, make sure to clean up. Okay, bye guys.
Oh no!
Hey guys, I wanted to add something to the end of the video just to show you like what I've done with the computer. So if you can see back there, right there is an extender for my Wi-Fi, and so I plugged it into the wall over there and I ran it all the way to it, and then I have the Ethernet cable leading from it to the computer. And the reason I did that is because my router is all the way over there on the middle floor, so like the router's all the way over here and I'm over here, so it's not really good for playing games. So that's why I had to go out and get that. And yeah, I also got these headphones. I think they were pretty cheap actually. I think they were maybe $40 or something. And they come with a little microphone you can plug in. And I just have like an old keyboard and mouse that I use. That's pretty much it. Okay. Bye guys. Love you.